Well, I've been wanting to do a project for a while, and it's these landscaping bricks around the tree here, and some of them have real big gaps, you know, and it's not level across the top. So what I'm going to do is take these out, set them aside, probably clean them up a little bit, but for a base, I'm going to grab this bag because two reasons. I like the size of the rock. It's not too small of a rock. I think if you get too small, like this one, or gravel, it's going to sink down into the ground more. And the other reason is kind of the color is similar to the brick that we're using. So yeah, I think I'll try it. A marble rock, and I'm going to lay it down in the hole, and then I'm going to set the brick back down on top of it. And hopefully this rock will create a good base so it won't sink. It looks like it's sunk, you know, through the years. It's settled in a little. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. Well, the rock came out really easy, and I think one of the big reasons is we got a little bit of rain last night, so the ground's real moist, and the rock just popped out. What I wanted to do was dig down where the rocks were, dig the dirt out down below it, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches, using this rock, and I'd pile it in there, but I ran into a root, so I want to show you that. I ran into the root, so actually this is going to be the high point of the rock. The rock is actually going to set up here, so I need to bring the gravel up this high. I want to have, I don't know, 3 to 4 inches of base rock, so I'm going to dig this down all the way around, and I'll try to keep it as level as I can from the top of this, so the gravel will come up to the top of this. So now I'm going to start digging, and hopefully it'll look good. Okay, I got everything dug out. I dug it down to about 2 to 3 inches all the way around, and when I came to a root, I just left the root. I didn't want to mess with it, and so it's looking pretty good. So now I'm going to put the gravel in. So I got all the gravel in and tucked what it take 5 bags, and so right here you can see right here I've got it up to where the brick should lay over this root, and there were several roots all the way around, and I've got it kind of flush with the top of the landscape here with the grass. So now I'll start laying the bricks and adjusting them and we'll see how it looks. Okay, I'm all done, and it turned out really good. It's nice and level. It's up higher. It's up off the ground a little. You really can't see the rock down underneath it. I didn't know if we would be able to or not, but it turns out we don't. So now our next step, we're going to put some topsoil in here and put some plants in, and yeah, it's going to look good.